This is the GBGS black 2-inch outer diameter truss clamp. I got this for my lighting fixtures, and let me tell you, I use these all over the place, nearly on hundreds of fixtures. These things are absolutely amazing. They're very, very easy to use. Cool thing about these guys, if you look right here, there is a washer and then a split washer up here, so when you crank this down, you don't have to worry about it accidentally unscrewing. And then same thing down here, you have a washer and a split washer, and this is where the fixture goes on. So you mount your fixture right here, you crank it down, and it is not going anywhere. Here's the box that the 10 clamps here came in. They all came in there, and one thing I really like about this too, it is rated for 100 kilograms, and yeah, this thing is incredible. I use it almost for every single fixture I now touch, and I have a lot of them, and this makes it super easy to have a unified way of mounting them. I always know, hey, this is making a lot of contact with the pipe. I never have to worry about these guys falling or failing. I really like these, and I highly recommend them to you.